I'll be singing. It's been so long today from Snap Song, so I'll be having my brother with me. So, be quiet. So, here we go. I don't know what I was thinking, leave my child behind. Now I suffer the curse, and now I am blind. With all these anger, guilt, and sadness come to haunt me forever. Can't wait for the cliff at the end of the river. This revenge I'm seeking, seeing someone to avenge me. Stuck in my paradox will set myself free. Maybe I should chase and find before they'll try to stop it. It won't be long before I become a puppet. It's been so long since the last I've seen my son lost to this monster, to the man behind the slaughter. Since you've been gone, been singing this stupid song so I can ponder the sanity of your mother. I wish I lived the present with a gift my past mistakes, but the future keeps on luring like a pack of snakes. Your sweet little eyes, your little smiles is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper. Justification's killing me, but killing isn't justified. What happened to my son? I'm terrified. It lingers in my mind and it's going getting bigger. Sorry, my sweet baby, I wish I'd been there. It's been so long since the last I've seen my son lost to this monster, to the man behind the slaughter. Since you've been gone, been singing this stupid song so I can ponder the sanity of my mother. So that's it. Hope you like it. Sorry about the interrupt and noises. I have my brother today, so hope you like it and subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Bye.